We got the 2021 Scatty Chally gang right here. Let's take a look, guys. What we did was basically straight piped it. Rear mufflers off, mid mufflers off. He actually had these MagnaFlow Magna packs right here. He wanted a little bit more aggressive, so he's like, get those out of here. And then we replaced it with the pipe. Let's check out this job real quick. My bad, Jay, got you going back and forth and shit. 3-inch piping right here, 2 sticks, very simple stuff. Back here, same thing, replaced the mufflers with sticks of pipe. Stock tips, guys. You could do those quads, black ones, matte black, chrome, whatever type of color scheme you're going for. But we're gonna bring it down after we spray it and let you hear it. Also, remember, we're franchising. So if you want to own a successful business, check out the links in the description below. And Muffy D merch dropping soon. So stay posted. All right, let's hear this.